how to get the old Hollywood makeup effect. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the old Hollywood makeup effect. So first go to your TikTok, tap on post, tap on effect, and this filter is trading, so you're gonna find it with trading filters. Keep searching, and this is it. This is the filter, old Hollywood makeup. It's so beautiful. If you didn't find this effect, all you need to do is go to this cover, tap on search, and tap old Hollywood makeup filter. And this is the filter. Tap on one on those videos, tap on the effect, and tap try this effect, and start record yourself. So this is the video. Hope you like it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.